third grade. This is Miss Pash. So the first step in the scientific method is asking a question, or in other words, the problem statement. This is the question you will be able to answer after your investigation and experiment. In the project we are doing this evening, we are testing the height of cardboard ramps.
Ooh.
And how the height affects the speed. The problem statement is in the form of a question. Always remember that. It goes like this. How does the height of a ramp affect the speed of a toy car? Just wait and find out. Can't wait for the experiment.
Hi friends, Miss Imber here. A hypothesis is a statement that could answer your question. You must be able to test your hypothesis. A good format to write a hypothesis is using if and then. Our hypothesis for this experiment is, if you have a high ramp, then your car will go faster. Now it's your turn to create a hypothesis.
All right, boys and girls, the time has come to do step number 3 is we're going to get our materials and then we're going to talk about the procedures in order to do our science experiment. So you're going to need a toy car. If you don't have a toy car at home, you can use something that rolls, maybe like a paper towel roll or a toilet paper roll, and that's gonna go down the ramps. After that, you're going to need to grab some books. Yes, books are for reading, but we're going to use them to create our ramps. So a couple of big books or boxes is something you're going to need. After that, you need some pieces of cardboard. This is going to make the ramp. If you don't have a piece of cardboard just like this, you can maybe cut some pieces of cardboard from all those boxes that I'm sure your parents are ordering. So those are the materials that you're going to need. Oh, and one more thing is a cell phone. Either a stopwatch or your parents' cell phone for a timer. And those are the materials you're going to need to conduct the experiment.
We are now at the point for our procedures. These are the steps that we're going to take in order to go ahead with our experiment. Now be careful because you're going to need to follow these steps exactly. Number 1, gather all materials, including your toy car, timer, cardboard ramp, and books. Number 2, stack your books to create height for your ramp. Remember, this is what we're testing here. We're testing to see the height of the ramp to see which car will go down the fastest. Number 3, take your cardboard and diagonally lay the ramp over the books. This will create your ramp. Number 4, have your timer ready. Now remember, get that timer ready. It could be your cell phone too, or your tablet, whatever you have at home. Number 5, place your toy car or item being tested at the top of your ramp. So we're going to go to the top, place the toy car on the top, and get ready to go. Number 6, count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Start your timer and let your toy car go. And last, number 7, record how fast your car went down the ramp. Have fun!
Hi my friends, it's Miss Shear here. Today we are going to do 2 experiments. The first experiment we are going to use a higher ramp, and the second experiment we are going to use a lower ramp. I can't wait to get started. We are going to start our first experiment. So get your car ready and don't forget to start your timer as soon as your car gets put down. On your mark, get set, go! Oh my goodness, that only took me about 2 seconds to go down the ramp. Now we're going to do our second experiment using our lower ramp. So get your timers ready and your car. On your mark, get set, go! Oh my goodness, that took about 3 seconds, so about 1 second longer than our higher ramp.
Whoa.
So as you can see, the higher ramp, the car went a lot faster. Now get your materials ready and do your experiment. Have fun!
Hey friends, this is Miss Sieber here. For our last step, you need to create a conclusion. A conclusion is something that supports your hypothesis. So based on our experiment and our hypothesis, we concluded that the height of a ramp does affect the speed of a toy car. So the higher the ramp, the faster it goes. Now it's your turn to create your conclusion.